Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by assembling gear and positioning it. This matters because source, support, and airflow control define shape and safety. Hang thin fishing line where the cloud will float, then attach lightweight white batting in overlapping clumps to create volume. Once done, place the fog machine or cool mist humidifier on a stable tray below the cloud area and make sure to route the power safely. These steps create a controlled plume rather than chaotic steam. This is invalid. You complete the installation by fine-tuning density and securing finishes. This final phase ensures longevity and safety. Slowly increase fog output while observing shape, then adjust batting density or spread to broaden or slim the cloud. Once satisfied, tape loose lines and conceal the machine, but keep access for refills. If the cloud disperses too quickly, lower airflow or add layered batting. If it becomes heavy and drips, reduce output.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.